Hello and welcome. Have you ever seen this icon, flashing or illuminated, on your vehicle's dashboard and wondered what it means? Whether you have or haven't, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll talk about what it means to your vehicle and what you should do about it. This engine-shaped light is called the Malfunction Indicator Lamp, or MIL for short. You might also know it as the check engine light. And as the name suggests, it lights when there's a problem with your vehicle. Every modern vehicle has a computer that monitors its systems and parts to make sure they're working properly. When the computer detects something unusual, it lights the MIL to alert you, so you can address issues promptly before they become more serious or cause further damage. There are many reasons why the MIL might turn on, primarily because of problems with the engine, transmission, emissions control, or other critical systems. There are two ways to turn off the MIL. You can erase the code using a scan tool, or the MIL will turn off on its own if the computer gives it a pass signal, when the issue is no longer present after a period of monitoring. Either way, the MIL will turn back on if the root cause still exists. So it's more important to fix the problem causing the MIL to light than to turn it off. The best way to keep the MIL off is to take good care of your vehicle. Make sure it gets regular checkups and necessary services, such as oil changes and tire rotations, so it can stay healthy and happy. Now, go take a look at your vehicle's dashboard. Is the malfunction indicator lamp on? If it is, you know what to do. Happy driving, and thanks for watching.